Actually, that's wrong.
Stop! That sentence is correct, but it can sound rude.
But many English learners say it.
Because they're focusing on grammar, not tone. Today we're looking at 5 English expressions that may sound polite, clear, or professional to learners, but rude to native speakers.
And one of them appears in meetings all the time.
You might have used it this week.
If you want to practice these tone differences, the worksheet for this video is linked below.
It includes listening practice, tone correction, and speaking prompts.
Actually, the meeting is tomorrow.
That sounds a little dismissive.
But the sentence is correct.
Yes, but actually often signals correction.
The listener may hear something like, "You were wrong."
Even if you did not intend that meaning. Better alternatives.
The meeting is tomorrow.
I think the meeting might be tomorrow.
Obviously, we need more data.
That sounds a little insulting.
Why?
Because obviously suggests the answer should already be clear.
So if the listener missed it, they may feel stupid.
Even if you only meant this is important.
Better alternatives.
One important point is that we need more data.
It might help to collect more data. As I said before, the deadline is Friday.
That sounds annoyed.
Even if I am calm?
Yes, the phrase suggests the listener failed to remember.
So it carries a subtle tone of blame. Better alternatives.
The deadline is Friday.
Just to clarify again, the deadline is Friday.
By the way, this is exactly what we train in our lessons.
Not just vocabulary, but how you actually sound in real conversations.
If you need this for work, we run ProSpeak, our corporate training program.
And if you're studying individually, check out English Pro online.
The links are in the description.
Alright, let's move on. I stayed up late finishing the report.
Good for you.
That sounded cold.
Exactly. Good for you can be sincere, but in the wrong tone, it sounds dismissive.
In certain situations, it can mean I don't really care. Better alternatives. That must have taken a lot of work.
Or thanks for getting it done.
With all due respect, I disagree.
That phrase sounds polite, but native speakers often hear it as a warning sign.
Exactly.
With all due respect usually means criticism is coming.
It signals strong disagreement, even before you say the opinion. Better alternatives. I see it a little differently.
I have another perspective.
Which sentence might sound rude? A. Obviously, we need more research.
B. One important point is that we need more research.
The answer is A.
Because obviously can imply the listener should already know.
How did you do? Tell us in the comments.
Today we looked at 5 English expressions that can sound rude in English.
Actually,
Obviously,
As I said before.
Good for you.
With all due respect.
The grammar may be correct,
but tone and connotation change the meaning.
English mistakes are not always grammar mistakes.
Sometimes they are tone mistakes.
If this helped, please like the video and subscribe.
And if you want to practice properly, check out the worksheet in the description.
It will help you review the meaning, tone, and real usage.
See you in the next one. Mata ne!